YouTube channel. I've been looking notoriously through YouTube, as we all do, and I have noticed there's a huge gap in tutorial videos for basic things on the e46 M3. So I thought, why not fill it? I hope you all enjoy. This is my 2007 e46 M3 convertible, looking wildly horrible on its winter wheels. One thing I noticed that I absolutely hate is this, the corrosion on the mirror bases. So I thought today, why not make myself a tutorial video on a DIY removal and strip. Okay, we've got a variety of bits and bobs to get off, to get the door panel off. Under here we've got a T20, 1, 2 and 3. We need to pry off the airbag cap, and there's also a screw behind the door handle. So let me get on with that. Now the door panel's removed, what you need to do is, you've got one cable for the door handle, one cable for your tweeter, and one cable for your actual speaker. You need to get your finger behind and just pop that out. These are just a pull fit, so give it a little pull, and the bottom is on little push tabs that you just need to push in and pop out. That's the door card done. Once you've got the door panel removed, you'll be left with just your speaker case and reminiscence of what was your door panel. You need to get your fingers in at the top of the cover, and the top just pops off, and these normally slide up. Mine was lucky and just fell out. Reveals two 10mm bolts. What we're going to do first is just reroute the wiring so it's all loose and free and ready to come out. And then there's a little flip catch. In fact, let me get you closer so you can see what I'm doing. So here we've got the two 10mm bolts. They hold the mirror on itself. The wiring we've just pulled out of this first channel, out from the back, and then you're left with this clip. If you look carefully, if it will focus, under the clip there's a little push tab. What we need to do is push the tab down and pull the grey bit back towards us, like so. That will release the clip. Just like that. Once the white tab's out, you have this black one. Do exactly the same. Push in the little tab underneath, grey one back, and pull out to release. We can then take our wire in so it's free, and then just undo the two bolts, and the mirror's going to come off. So once you're left with just your two 10mm bolts, grab a 10mm socket. I've got an impact driver because I am that lazy. And then if you're lucky enough to have a beautiful assistant like mine that can come and hold the other side, we will just whip out those two bolts, give it a wiggle deal, push the rubber bung through, and then slowly just for ease, if you put the black clip back down, it'll give you just a little bit more room just to pull the mirror out. And there you have it, one mirror removed.